With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, so our question is a compound has a molecular mass of 220 AMU, that is atomic mass unit, or you can say that gram per mole. If it has 54.54% of carbon and 36.36% of oxygen and the rest hydrogen, then we have to find its molecular formula. We have to find its empirical formula. Empirical formula is nothing but it is the simplest positive integer ratio of the atoms present in a compound. Now here, suppose we are having the 100% as the mass of the given compound. So from here what we can say that the mass of the carbon present will be 54.54 gram, and here the mass of the oxygen, it will be 36.36 gram out of 100 gram of the compound. So from here we can easily find the mass of the hydrogen, that is 100 minus, it will be equal to 54.54 plus 36.36. So on solving it, we can easily find the mass of the hydrogen, which will be equal to 9.1 gram. So from here what we can say that we can easily find the number of moles of carbon present in 100 gram of the compound. So it will be equal to the given weight, that is 54.54 gram, and here the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Similarly, we can find the number of moles of the hydrogen. It will be equal to the 9.1 divided by the atomic mass of hydrogen atom, that is 1. Similarly, we can find the number of moles of the oxygen. It will be 36.36 divided by the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram per mole. So from here what we can say that it will be equal to the number of moles of carbon, it will be equal to 4.545. Similarly, we can find the number of moles of hydrogen, it will be 9.1, and we can find the number of moles of oxygen, it will be equal to 2.273. So these are the number of moles of the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So from here what we can say that we can easily find the ratios of these atoms. So from here what we can say that we are having the number of the moles of the carbon as 4.545, that of hydrogen it will be equal to 9.1, and for the oxygen it will be 2.273. Now what we will do, we will divide by 2.273, which is the smallest number amongst the three of the moles. So on solving it, what we will get, here it will be approximately equal to 2, here it will be approximately equal to 4, and it will be 1. So from here what we can say that the empirical formula will be equal to C2H4O. Now in order to find the molecular formula, we have to just multiply the empirical formula with the n, where n is the integer. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. And here if you want to find the value of n, then it will be equal to the molar mass, or you can say that the molecular mass, divided by the empirical formula mass. So from here we can easily find the empirical formula mass. It will be equal to what? We know that the atomic mass of carbon is 12, we are having 2 carbon. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, we are having 4 hydrogen, and that of atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So from here what we can say that the empirical formula mass will be equal to 44 AMU, or gram per mole. And here in the question the compound has the molecular mass as 220 AMU. So we can easily find the value of the n. It will be 220 divided by 44. On solving it, what we will get the value of n as 5. So from here what we can say that the molecular formula of the compound, it will be equal to C2H4O, and here it will be 5. So on solving it, if you want to expand it, the molecular formula will be C10H20O5. So this is the answer. I hope you got this concept. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.